And doing a 1313 want back in another banger unboxing review, guys.
We're about to scam the Toys R Us of this and sell Wolverines.
Yeah, guys. Today we're gonna be unboxing Universal Production Extra Production Values 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea 1916 by KL Bullshit fucking Company. KL Studios, Kino Lorber. Stuart Patton's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea silent movie, guys. Cover's good. The cute little octopus. We got the statue. I've only seen this octopus once in a while. Then it was a Target and we picked it up. Yeah, guys, there it is. You stupid self snake, oh fucking bitch. Let's open it. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. The black dog, straight from the wrong garbage, disgusting skin. Garbage game called Fortnite. I'll shut the nigger motherfucking up. Sorry for the end bomb. Oh, look sexy over there. There's a diver gang, and there's disgusting fags with makeup. Oh shit, yeah. I guess they added the disc. KL Studios actually did something a little good. Fuck, Face isn't gonna be here. Hurry up! Fucking bullshit. Okay, guys, and bye.